Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated heavy-duty trucks of the year, the 2025 Ford F-250 Lariat. Known for its power, luxury, and dependability, this truck is raising the bar for work and play. Stick around as we explore its features, performance, and pricing. The 2025 F-250 Lariat boasts a bold, rugged design. Ford has enhanced its grille with a new chrome finish, LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that exudes power. The 20-inch alloy wheels and optional two-tone paint give it a premium edge, while the tailgate step and power-locking tailgate make it practical for everyday tasks. With a massive truck bed and up to 14,000 pounds of towing capacity, the F-250 Lariat is built for serious work. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or heading to the mountains, this truck has you covered. Step inside, and you'll find a perfect blend of luxury and utility. The 2025 F-250 Lariat features leather-trimmed seats, a 12-inch touchscreen with Ford's Sync 4 infotainment system, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The 8-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system ensures premium audio for those long drives. Safety is a top priority with adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera, and Ford's Pro Trailer Backup Assist to make towing easier than ever. Under the hood, the 2025 F-250 Lariat comes with two powerful engine options. Choose between a 7.3-liter V8 delivering 430 horsepower or a 6.7-liter Powerstroke turbo diesel offering an impressive 475 horsepower and 1,050 lb-ft of torque. Coupled with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this truck ensures smooth and efficient performance on any terrain. The starting price for the 2025 Ford F-250 Lariat is $65,000, but with added features and packages, it can climb to around $85,000. While it's an investment, this truck delivers unmatched versatility, making it worth every penny for truck enthusiasts and professionals alike. Thanks for tuning in to Car Updater. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest vehicles. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Ford F-250 Lariat. Until next time, drive safe and stay updated.